If your company has enabled multi-factor authentication, you'll have two options when logging into your Go TMS. Option 1, use an authentication app on your mobile device, or Option 2, receive a verification code by email. Option 1, the authentication app. To use this method, download the Microsoft Authentication app from your device's App Store. Once installed, open the app and tap the QR code icon in the bottom right-hand corner. Then, in the TMS, you'll see a QR code displayed on your screen. Simply scan it with the authentication app and you'll be logged in. Option 2, email verification. If you prefer to receive a code by email, simply select email code when prompted. Then check your inbox for the verification message and then enter the code in the TMS login screen. Once verified, you'll successfully be logged in. If you don't receive the code in your email within a few moments, check your spam or junk folder. If you have any questions regarding MFA, then please contact your Customer Success Manager at csm@mandata.co.uk.